Hey lovies, what is good? If you read the title or you looked at the thumbnail, you know I'm going to be testing things that I have not tested or tried that I have. Because I got all of this stuff from Laura Mercier and some more. I've got all these lashes that I've literally never even put on, never even like looked at really. I've got this palette, which everybody else reviewed, so I really want to try it. I've got this palette. I've got these glitters if I end up wanting to put some glitters on. I got a new mascara. Like, I got stuff. So I figured, why not make a little video out of it as my first like coming back video, because I've been gone for a million years. Yeah. I'm like, I missed you guys. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and click that like button because I've been gone for a long time, so I feel like I deserve it. So period. Yeah, that's my explanation. Ugh, my hair really does not look good. It's fine. I don't care. Whatever. I'm gonna put it up anyways. Y'all ready? Let's go. Ugh. Let's start by putting my hair up because... Ooh, this flat screen looking good today. It's that skincare. Making this flat screen look reflective, baby. Reflective. Ooh, that's why I'm single. This is why. I don't have any new foundations to try today, so I'm just gonna be going in with my Die Hard, which is the Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation from Tarte, and I use the shade 35 in Medium Neutral because I am kind of tan right now. I know it doesn't look like it because I've got the lighting, but I am for me, so. I'm just gonna skip this step since it's no new products. And she's back! Yeah, I ended up realizing I don't have any new concealer or new eyebrow stuff or new setting powder. At least I don't think any of this is setting powder. This is perfecting powder, but I don't even really understand what that is, so I'll just use it also. But for those of you that are curious, I used the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade L700. I used the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And then for my eyebrows, I used the 35O Morphe palette, and I used this shade right here. The first thing out of my new products I'm gonna be trying is the Laura Mercier Matte Bronzing Powder in Soleil 1. That's what it looks like. I literally love the packaging, first off. It's got a little button. Ooh, okay. Seems pretty sturdy. Dipping in. Ooh, smells good. Okay. Smells really good. Kind of cute. I know I use a lot, don't judge. Ooh, so cute. I like it. I like the bronzer. Oddly, surprisingly, much better than I thought it was going to do, which I love that. Love that. Since I don't know how to use the cream blush from Laura Mercier, I'm just gonna go in with their powdered blush. So it is Blush Color Infusion from Laura Mercier in the shade Fresco. Once again, love the packaging. Nice and nice. And then I will say I'm not a big fan of sparkles in my blush, but I'm always willing to give something a try. So. Also, it smells very good. This one smells good too. So this is my blush brush. I know a lot of people would use it as a highlighter brush, but I like to do my blush very particular. I like to know where it goes. So I like this better. Also, it's a Moda brush, so like use code Derek for some money off, period. Ooh. Wait. Why are they kind of like doing that? Where it's summertime, I do put a little bit of blush on my T-zone because I kind of have what I would describe as caveman features. So this part, it pokes out, my brow, which means when I go outside, the sun really does burn me a little bit right here. And so I want it to look, you know, real. Okay, I need like to dig in. I need some color, mamas. I like blush. I like blush a lot, so. It's very sheer. I'll say that. I'm not a sheer blush bitch, you know what I mean? Like, I'm a blush girl. I do like the little reflect though. This would be really good probably for a natural look, which is just not what we're going for today. I added way too much bronzer to go for a natural look today. But for a natural look, this might be the blush. Like for comparison, I have it on this side and I don't have it on this side. Like it's very subtle. Okay, I can vibe with it actually. I don't know anybody else that blushes right there, but I do kind of like the effect of blushing my mouth. Don't come for me on that one. I'll give this a 7 out of 10 for what I was trying to make it do today, but for a completely natural look, this would probably work like a good 10 out of 10, I'm not gonna lie. For a completely natural look, that's not what I'm going for today though. So, 7. Now I'm gonna bake my contours, going back in with my Laura Mercier powder. Yeah. Can never hurt to put a little bit more on my big ass wrinkly forehead, so. Now that I've got my contours and blushes baking, I'm gonna be going in with some eyeshadow. I figured I could use the Sailor Moon collection from ColourPop and the Making Mauves collection and do some sort of like a purpley-ish, neutrally purple, but maybe I could use like these two and make it like not so neutral. But this is all like neutrally purples. So I could do something funky like that, and then I'm gonna do a full outfit change. I also haven't decided 100% if I want to add some like dark grungy stuff to this look. We'll figure it out. But I'm gonna be using these eyeshadows. I'm gonna start by using my Profusion brush, which are literally like $1 to $3 brushes that are actually so good. I don't have a code, sadly, but I really do like these brushes. And I'm gonna be going in with Big Moves, which is this top bright color. And I'm just gonna be putting it all over my lid just to see what it kind of looks like, you know, get like an idea of what I'm gonna be working with. Wow, this is pretty. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. So taking the same brush, I'm just gonna be going into Big Fig and I'm gonna be putting it into my outer crease because it's just a little bit of a deeper version, I feel like, of Big Moves. Oh, love how they're Big Moves, Big Fig. I'm just gonna be putting it on my outer crease just to deepen it. Giving me punched in the face, but make it pretty. Okay. A little bit harder to blend, but I mean, I'm getting it to work, you know? Now I know that this looks like very mauve-y, very simple, very neutral, but we about to pop in some real color into this. And I'm gonna be going in with Miracle Romance from the Sailor Moon pressed powder palette. Inside. Ooh. Very pretty color. This color a lot. Okay, so now with this weird purpley, dark purpley look that I'm going for, I'm gonna go back in with the Making Mauves palette, and I'm gonna use the shade Marquee. And I'm gonna darken again in the corner. She's pretty. Now I'm gonna take Luna and I'm gonna put it on the inside, but I'm gonna spray it so it's extra shiny. Okay. I'm gonna even pull it up to meet up at the brow. You can see the line of sparkle that I put all the way up. I might even add some to this top line over here, just to kind of circulate. I'm gonna go in with Tuxedo Rose, which I know is a little bit of a weird combo, and I'm gonna throw it into the water, like the under eye line, just because, you know, I want another bit of color. It's a different color, but it's not like a clashing color. That's pretty. That's what it needed. Oh my gosh, I love when that happens. That is definitely what it needed. Period, across the board. That's what it needed. Wow, so much better. Now going in with the Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder from Laura Mercier. And I guess it's supposed to just perfectly set and finish my face. So I guess I should try it. I'm going in with another Moda brush. Use code Derek for some money off. And I'm just gonna tap it in across here. I would say that here is typically where I need like my perfecting in like my forehead. I'm like, do I look perfect on camera? Ooh! Hold up a Okay. The packaging's cute. I like it. Wow. I don't even have pores. I'm like, I feel like it's probably good enough time to wipe off this bake. That's been on for literally like 40 minutes. Oops. For lips, I'm gonna be trying this Laura Mercier Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick. I've never tried a Laura Mercier lip, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, easy application. I will say that so far. I'm gonna literally look like I'm an alien from the 70s. Like what people thought that we were gonna look like Xenon. I kinda like it because it's almost like I can put it on as if it's a lip pencil, like a lip liner. Wow. I'm gonna add a little bit of this ultra glossy gloss from the Sailor Moon collection, and it is in the shade Moon Tiara. And I figured it would be really cute to go on top of this. Because I'm not really a matte type person. So, okay, this was a good combo. Good combo. I don't have any new highlighters to try, so I'm just gonna be going in with this Artist Couture highlight in Supernova. It's like a pinky, purpley, iridescent color. So I think it would look good with the eye. I'm just gonna lightly dust it onto the cheek. You can see. So beautiful. This brand really does make some of the best highlights I've ever tried. Yes, Artist Couture. Yes. Now before I go in with mascara or eyelashes, the final 2 steps, I'm gonna be using my all-nighter Urban Decay Pollution Protection Setting Spray because, period, it's so good. I still stand by my Urban Decay setting spray. It's still the best. Wow. And I will. Okay, so we're gonna try out this mascara. It is the Lash Freak Urban Decay mascara, and it is kind of funky. So it has, like, you would put it up here. So you'd push them up, and then you can poke them up, and then you press them curled so that it dries curled. You know what I mean? So let's try this. Let us try it. Ooh. I can say, at least from first apply, it's good mascara. Now let's, so like press it up. Ooh. Yeah, it just looks like every other mascara I've ever used. So out of all things, that was like the most okay product out of all of them, just like okay. Now I'm gonna be taking this black eyeliner and I'm just gonna barely put any on the inside of my waterline. Well, not my waterline, inside going up this way, just so that when I apply my lashes, they look better because I'm not the best at applying lashes. The liner is on. I fixed my little mistake a little bit. It's still kind of there, but I'll Facetune the rest gone because that's just how we work on this channel. These are the lashes I'm gonna be putting on. They are ColourPop lashes in the size Minx. And these are what they look like. I'll be right back. Wow, I will say, these lashes I've been sleeping on. I had them sitting on that shelf for maybe 400 years and wow, these look really good on me. So glad I put these on. Now I'm gonna take my hair down. I'm going to quickly change and I'll be right back again. Okay, so here's the outfit switch. I've got some cute little bottom pants that I have pulled up. My belly button's here, so my waist is like here. Pulled up, not quite all the way high-waisted, but up a little bit. I've got this cute jacket from Forever 21. The pants are also from Forever 21. This is a spider little tank top. I've got 3 silver chains. This is from a farmer's market. Hot Topic, Hot Topic, Hot Topic. And then the makeup you saw. I'm like, here's the finished product. I'd say that these products actually work really good. For the first time me using all of this stuff, either I'm really talented or these products are really good. Or I guess maybe both. But like, I'm really talented, so like, wow. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna be posting pictures in this look on my Instagram, so make sure you go over there and like it, give it a comment, follow me over there. My username's derekkildall, and I'm also going to be posting some TikToks, of course. So make sure you follow me over there too, at derekkildall. And subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you so much. You're beautiful. You always will be beautiful, and you're perfect. Be smiley, not gloomy. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.